All right, so this is, 84. We're getting, a little better at writing things down. And the first thing I have to write down, given, we're doing 84. Given that we have an epsilon greater than 0, choose a delta. I have no idea. Suppose, what are you supposing? That the absolute value of x minus 4, it's coming from over here, by the way, less than delta. I don't want the x to be 4, so I'll say greater than 0. Here comes the tough part, the check. What are we checking? The function, which is root x, minus the limit, minus 2. All right, my goal here is to, figure this thing out in a relatively simple way. But I want to get, I'm looking for this. I'm looking for it. So I'm going to start to rewrite a little bit at a time. And this is work. So where do you get there? Well, you're going to get the absolute value of x minus 4 on top. On bottom, you're going to get the absolute value of this. Now, before you go forward in that, it looks really kind of strange to me, but the absolute value of the square root of x plus 2, since the square root of x is non-negative, it could be 0 and above, and when you add 2 to it, it's definitely positive, so I can remove the absolute value symbol on that. Let me put that down. The other thing I notice about this over here is that that the square root of x plus 2 is greater than or equal to 2, always, which means that this here would have to be less than the absolute value of x minus 4. All right? Has to be. All right? Now, what do we know about that? Well, it's up there. It's less than delta. And this has to equal to epsilon. So what's our delta? Our delta is epsilon. Let's go back over here. And again, greater than 0. That's it. We're done. Thank you.